How you can use your Hisense TV without a remote. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, take a look at your Hisense TV. On most models, there are buttons right on the TV itself. Now, check the bottom or back side of the TV. You should see a power button and maybe some other buttons like volume and input. Press the power button to turn on the TV. Then, use the other buttons to change the volume or switch input sources. If you want more control, you can also use the Hisense RemoteNOW app. Just download it on your phone. After that, make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app and it should find your Hisense TV. Tap on it to connect. Now you can use your phone like a remote and control everything from there. And that's it. That's how you can use your Hisense TV without a remote.